The RSPB Big Garden Birdwatch is this weekend, and I wanted to show you some ways that you could make this into a fun activity and learning opportunity with your children. You can download and print, or just view on a screen like I am, this bird identification chart. This could be an opportunity to talk about colours. For example, the bird we can see is yellow. Which bird on the chart is yellow? Is it this one? In preparation for bird watching, you can fill bird feeders or scatter some bird seed on the ground to encourage birds to land. You can count the number of birds on the ground. You can discuss their size. Is it a big bird or a small bird? And you could include positional language such as the bird is on top of the bird feeder. The bird is next to the bush. If you wish, you can submit your findings to the RSPB website. Just search for RSPB Big Garden Birdwatch. Or share with us in the comments some pictures of some birds that you've seen in your garden. Have fun! See you later!